Hello everyone, welcome to Trending Wisdom, a channel which is fully dedicated to spreading wisdom related to health, wealth and self-improvement, and also to see things in a unique perspective. Remember this mantra, that is, if you cannot do great things, do small things in a great way. It's wisdom in 2 minutes, and in this video I am going to tell you that how you can become successful by thinking big. The size of your success is limited by the size of your thinking. If you do not believe that you can achieve a particular goal, this will further decrease your chances of success. Small thinking is characterized by searching for reasons for failure rather than ways you can succeed. Or we can say it like that: by thinking small, you will always search for the reasons for failure instead of the ways to success. You want to train your mind to have an expanded capacity so you can think bigger. Now, question arises, how to train your mind to think bigger? So here is the answer. Think success, don't think failure. When you face a difficult situation, replace your automatic negative thinking with positive thoughts. Let success dominate your thought processes. Accepting positive thoughts will allow you to create plans that produce success. On the reverse side, maintaining negative thoughts will encourage plans that produce failure. Remind yourself regularly that you are better than you think you are. Successful people are not superhuman. On top of that, success isn't based on luck. Successful people are just ordinary people who have developed a belief in themselves that whatever they do, they are good in that. So never sell yourself short. Keep on reminding yourself regularly that you are better than you think you are. Believe big. The size of your success is determined by the size of your belief. If you want to think of great ideas or ways of doing things, you first have to believe it's possible. If you don't believe that you can be successful, it is doubtful that you will think of achieving success. Think of little goals and expect little achievements. Think of big goals and hope for big success. Believe it or not, big ideas and big plans are often easier than little ideas. It is very well quoted by author David J. Schwartz that believe it can be done. When you believe that something can be done, your mind will find the ways to do it. Believing a solution paves the way to solution. Thanks for watching.